Hello, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome Avishruti today for our podcast session. And let me introduce Avishruti to you. Avishruti is a young, bright, creative copywriter at Akartha Advertising Agency in Bangalore. And she has been coming up with a lot of creative ideas for her agency since she has joined the agency. It has been 2, 3 months, I think. And today we are here to join on a discussion which is on a very important issue, the impact of COVID 19 on the lifestyle of people as well as the workplaces, how it has affected the workplaces. So, welcome, Avishruti.
Hi, thanks for having me.
So, how is the lockdown treating you?
Lockdown is so good. I mean, I'm missing the friends I used to go off with, and also especially my colleagues and my teammates. Because we used to do a lot of interactions together, going out on coffee breaks. It used to create a healthy working environment for that. So now I'm missing all that.
So, have you been working from home currently?
All our team members are working from home, and we are managing the production work, everything from home. I mean, no one is gathering to do that. Also, the interns who have joined us recently, so they are also working from home. It's tough to do that, but we are managing so fair, so good. Right.
So, do you think this work from home is it's sounding cool for you, or you just want to prefer the work from office? Which one do you prefer?
No, I think work from office was far better because in every kind of profession. But I'll here take the example of advertising agencies. Uh, that we need to have a certain brainstorming together, and also feedback processes there. Suppose I'm writing something, there's the creative director who has to give a feedback on it, and also suppose my team is writing something, I have to look at that as I'm the copy head there. So I mean, this all these need to be together.
Yeah.
Yeah, and right, it is getting a bit delayed because we are all working from home, and it's kind of I mean, not, we all have to be a little extra proactive because we are working from home. And also it's tough, the brainstorming session that used to happen in a room, now it's happening over Zoom calls and all that. So that is a bit tough.
Yeah, and also there must be
And
some
also,
network issues. Yeah.
yes, all network issues are like consistent throughout the lockdown. It's like it's consistently going worse.
Yeah, true. We all are facing that. Okay. So, tell me how about your agency? Like, how is your agency coming up with creative ideas during this time when it has to keep up, and then there is this time when everything is literally just shut off. The real world is just shut off for us. So, how are you people managing? How are you like doing your everyday creative work?
Yeah. See, the thing is, for every kind of work, as I said, we have to come together. I mean, every kind of profession, it is that process is involved. So now for the advertising agency, the first problem that we faced actually is, the company stopped their ad spends, cut off. I mean, started cutting off, not stopped, but cutting off their ad spends because all their services are closed down. So what will they advertise? And also they want to donate for a cause, because the situation we all know how it is. So I mean, in the first half of the lockdown, it was kind of challenging, but we came up with with an ad for Sparsh Masala, that where we exactly took the picture of what is happening right now, and it's also a kind of product that we always need. So we exactly made we started, the creative team, we started thinking of that. See, we can't show something which will be very irrelevant. You won't be able to connect. If I show something that three children are playing in the park right now, you will be like, well, it's not the scenario. So that's why we showed. I mean, I always personally think, and I always do that in my works also, that you have to keep up with the trends, whatever is happening, and you have to develop your work according to that. Update yourself. So we looked around us, we started looking for stories, and we picked up the most relevant story and the most heart touching story, that is a relationship between a mother and a daughter. And right now, so many children, we also, there are people who, like us, who are, I mean, stuck in some other city and their mother is somewhere else. So, and it totally relate to what the condition can be, cooking alone, because the maids or someone, housemaids also, who used to come earlier, they won't come right now, and we can't even ask them right now because they also have family. So how will they cook and all? So their mother comes on the video call and interacts and teaches the daughter how to cook.
It's very nice concept.
Always a mother comes first here. So through video calls, even she is not very habituated with video calls, but she adjusted with that because of her daughter. So we took that story and put it, and people liked it because we showed something which is relevant right now. And also, see, right now we can't go out, we can't call out units, makeup artists to come and collaborate with us for our works. So what we did, we asked the cast only to choose anything relevant from their wardrobe. Again, the art direction team involved in that. This selected the dress they have to wear, like that. But everything happened remotely. It was tough, I'll be frank, it was tough. But it took, a day of work took 2 days to complete. That also happened. Then again, the post production team comes, when the music, everything has to be selected. Even that happened over video calls. It was pretty absurd to do for us, because for all of us, it was
New for
something
you.
new. But
Yeah.
we started embracing the new normal. We embraced the new normal. Like that, we started developing all our ads on that lines, so that people also find something relevant to see, and automatically then they will like the products also. They will have a good impression for the products also, or the services also. So in that way, we started developing our ideas. And specifically with creative team, with the copywriting team, coming up with concepts right now, brainstorming is very very tough, but still we are managing with it. I'm lucky to have a team who are very passionate and dedicated towards their work. So I mean, it's all teamwork we are doing.
That's good to hear. So it's true that in this time of pandemic, we can't just hard sell the products. We can't just like sell your thing directly. So direct marketing
Yeah.
is actually not worth at this time. So true. Your story ideas, like the concept of weaving stories and marketing your products through stories, is a very nice concept. And I hope you all the best uh, for the for your future advertisements. So tell me, like, do you think that in any way this pandemic has brought you any good, or it has brought any good thing in your life which you will remember after this pandemic is gone, if at all you feel that there is any good thing that has happened?
I think I understood importance of a lot of things, especially the importance of your close ones. You need to spend time with them. You need to talk to them. I mean, in our busy life, often we forget to spend a good time with our close ones. So right now we have got that time, so that we can also give them some time, especially our family, I'll say. So I understood importance of having family and having the best friends in your life, because they ultimately, when, because this is a situation of chaos around, problems around, and in this time, people who will stick to you are the only people who will stick to you throughout your life. So I have importance. I have understood the importance or worth of people in my life. And also another thing, hygiene was always there.
Yeah.
Okay, right now it took a pandemic to teach us the importance of hygiene.
So true. So true. Yeah.
And also, see, there are, I mean, I understand in this pandemic, there are people who are losing their loved ones. There are people who are not getting food. They are living in hunger. I mean, we are all trying our best to do something for them. And also, there are people, example like, blood cancer patients and all. They are not getting the blood. So that it's a tough time for all of us. But when you step out of your home and see birds chirping, no horns, no traffic, sound pollution, all the car noises, and also those black smokes from factories and all, they are not there. The sunshine is falling right on the leaves, and it somehow feels that this pandemic is like a refresh button in our life for the environment and for humans. For environment, as in like they are healing. Okay, so we did a lot of bad to them, so they are healing actually. And also another thing is we got some time to look at our lives, to reflect, to see where we were and what we want to be. So even I am doing, some good habits have come up, like writing for myself. I always used to write for this freelancing, and all this used to happen parallelly. But right now also I'm writing journals and blogs for my thoughts, where I could express my thoughts. So that
That's
is a good
nice.
habit. Habits are, we all are adopting some good habits. Some are cooking, some are helping their mothers in the household chores and all. Yeah, that's a good thing. I mean,
Many,
both good and bad, yeah,
yes.
but yeah.
Many people are trying to invest their time in their hobbies. So thank you, Avishruti, for joining us in this podcast.
Thank you for having me, Ashwarya.
We have come to the end of the session today, and it was wonderful speaking to you, knowing about your insights on the impact of COVID 19 on the workplaces, the lifestyles of people, and how you can just be positive and bring about some change in your life and stay in close knit with your family, friends. And it was an absolute pleasure to talk with. So thank you, Avishruti, for joining us in this podcast.
Thank you for having me, Ashwarya.